welcome back. So today I just wanted to do a quick little video, just a little get it together for the gardening season that's up on us, you guys. It is February 6th today. So I was given these little items, these little seed starter little grow kits that you can purchase at like Dollar Tree. Sometimes they have them at Target. So someone gave them to me. They gave me a sunflower, tomato, this one's basil, and a strawberry one. I've already did 2 of them. And basically it comes with this little piece of paper which has seeds on it. And then a little seed pot that you just are going to put in water, fluff it, put it back in the pot, and then put the little seed paper on top. You can use a spray bottle to wet it and then push it to the soil. I'm going to just use this little squirt bottle and do it. And I'm just going to show you guys how I do it. So I'm going to get some water. Basically, the instructions are here on the back, and I'm going to follow them. And then I'm going to leave them in my house in a south-facing window and see how it goes. And just keep them inside my house until it's time to put them outside. So let's just have a little fun, guys. I'll be right back. Let me get some water. All right, so I have the water, and let's do the sunflower one. So basically it says dissolve growing medium. In water. Here's the growing medium. Put it in water. Let it fluffen up and soak up all the water. Then use a fork to fluff the soil. Fill pot with the growing medium, leaving approximately a ½ inch of space at the top. Compress growing medium lightly to provide a level surface for the seed paper. Lay seed paper flat on top of the growing medium. Use spray bottle. Use a spray bottle filled with water, which we're going to use just a little squirt bottle. And place in a warm, bright location and keep growing medium moist, but not overwater. Remove plastic wrap, which is this, once the plants sprout. And then it says begin watering with plant fertilizer mixed at half strength once it sprouts. So, let's see. Okay, so the growing medium has soaked up the water. Hopefully I don't make a mess trying to show you. All I'm going to do is just take this little knife and kind of get it mixed up and broken up. Alright, that's pretty good. Then I'm going to take it and pour it back in the pot. And then I'm going to press it down firmly. Boom. Take the little seed paper, place it on top. So I place the paper on top. You just press it on there. Now I'm going to put water on top of that. Give it a nice soaking. And that's all there is to it. Put it on a little drip tray for the water that's going to drip. And I'm going to do the same thing. All of them consist of the same instructions. So that's all I'm doing. I'm going to put water. It's probably good. There we go. Uh-oh. This is my tomato and I already got it a little wet, so we're going to be careful. And it's good practice to always write when you start seeds on your containers and what they are, just in case you forget. So I'm going to do that as well. Let me get a marker one moment as we wait for the growing medium to soak up that water. Okay, so the first one is strawberries. Son, please. I'm going to write strawberries and today's date on here. He is not happy. So I'm going to do that and I'll show you and I'll be back. Okay, so now the growing medium is soaked up and I'm just fluffing it and breaking it up like I did in the previous video. On the sunflower. And I'm going to pour it in. Press the top. Put them on drip tray. Put the little seed sheath on top. Straighten it. Put a little water because you want good soaking on the seeds. And press it into the soil. And as you see, I wrote the names on there so we know, because we didn't want to mix the strawberries and the tomatoes up there in the same color. So I believe the person who gave me these got these from Dollar Tree for $1 a piece. So I think it'll be a good deal. So I'll keep you guys updated. I'll try weekly to show you how they're progressing and what sprouts and what doesn't sprout, and hopefully we'll have them in the garden for the growing season. So go out, get you some, start collecting your seeds, cleaning out your garden beds, cleaning up them leaves, pulling out the weeds. You know, we're just getting to it. So south facing window, and I put the plastic on top just to act as little mini greenhouses to help keep moisture and keep them wet. So I will continue to keep you guys updated. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you guys later.